Hi, I'm Starkey from driftworks.com, and today I'm having a closer look at the Japan Racing JR31. So the JR31 is only available in 15-inch diameters and also only comes in 7.5 inches wide width. They also only come in an offset of 20. So if you're after a 15 by 7.5 ET20, then this is the wheel for you. As for colours, they come in gold, or they come in black with a machined face. As for PCDs, they only come in 4-stud configurations, so 4x100 or 4x114. So this is a classic retro design. I think they brought this wheel out to aim at the MX-5 market, so perfect sizes for Mark 1 and Mark 2 MX-5s. Will go straight on with no additional modifications required. Same can be said for like E30s, VW Golfs, Polos, Lupos, that smaller little car that people drive. In the promotional work that Japan Racing did with this wheel, they also mounted it on a Renault 5 as well, so we'll put a little picture up here.
At Driftworks, we've helped over 50,000 happy customers since 2004. Our huge online parts store is simple to use, with superb shipping rates to anywhere in the world, and finance options available for UK customers. We live and breathe wheel fitment, so if you have any questions about your own car or any of our products before placing an order, please drop us an email at shop@driftworks.com or give us a call. Thanks for watching.